Bata.
This one, what letter? What's that? Cup. Oh, jug.
Dad.
Jug. This one, what letter?
D.
Very good.
Mommy, another one.
What letter is this?
Flowers.
On this one, what's this?
I.
Good. This one?
T.
Good. What's this?
A.
What's that?
T.
Okay. K.
K.
This one, what's this?
Umbrella.
And what letter is this?
U.
Very good.
Now a hat.
What's this?
Mm.
What's this?
Top.
Hat.
No, that's the top.
Hat. This one, letter?
H.
H. This one.
No, no. Milk.
Milk. This one, letter?
M.
Good.
Now another one.
This one.
Toy.
Car. Letter?
C.
This one.
Zipper.
Zipper. Zip. This one, letter?
Zipper.
Z. Letter?
S.
No, Z.
C.
Z. How about this one?
B.
B.
No, worry about
Boat. And letter?
B.
Very good. How about this one?
Door.
This is door. Letter?
D.
Very good. How about this one?
Tell you what to.
This is paint, watercolor, and this is letter
P.
P.
Now it's nest.
Very good. What's this? Nest. And this
Yes.
one, letter.
Letter
Letter. What letter is this?
M.
N.
M.
Good. How about this one? What's this?
Iron.
Iron. How about this one? Letter?
This is for mommy iron.
Yeah.
I.
Yes. Good job. How about this picture? What's this?
Vegetables.
All very good. How about this letter?
V.
V. Yes. How
this
about this one?
Train.
Train. Letter?
I.
T.
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 I see the I. T.
T. How about this one?
Apple.
Letter?
Letter.
What
No,
letter is
apple, apple.
Apple. This one. Letter?
Letter A.
Yes.